We're making a very unusual and beautiful box. With this box, you can congratulate your loved ones on any holiday. If you like this idea, give it a thumbs up and watch this video. For this box, we will need colored cardboard, paper, scissors, glue, a pencil, and a ruler. We will need the necessary measurements. If you have the ability to print, then I will leave all the ready-made templates in the vContacte group. You can find the link to the group in the description if you don't have that option. I'm going to show you how to do all of this, so we can draw it ourselves. To make it clearer for you, I drew a cell on the sheets of paper and you will be able to see it. I recommend that you draw the measurements and what you need to outline, just like I did. Your templates will help you easily and efficiently cut out from the ready sheets of colored paper. The first base of our box is 6.5 by 6.5 centimeters. You need to draw ones like these. Here are 5 squares, 1 in the center and 4 on the sides. The second part will be the lid of our box. It looks like this. See, the center will be 7 by 7 cements. I indicated it here, and the sides will be 2 by 2. So we draw a little square, and then another square that is 2 centimeters wide. Let's make it bigger. Dotted lines. We can see it here, here, and here. These will be the cut lines. You can also mark them for yourself. And you'll know exactly where you need to cut to precisely glue on this kind of lid. We will also need these parts, where our hearts will be attached. The largest part is this size, 6 by 6 centimeters. The middle square. Next, we draw lines up from the center, 2 centimeters long. We see 2 on the sides and from this central upper line. We're making these little triangles. We end up with this shape. This is the first one, and this will be the largest. Next, a smaller one will be attached in the center. It's the same shape, a square that is 5 by 5 centimeters. 5.5 by 5.5, like this more precisely. The height of our rises in the center. We see a line drawn up in the center at 1.7. And here, everywhere it's 17 centimeters. And again, lines for the triangles are drawn. This will be the second figure, apparently. They differ from each other a little less, and the very last third will be only 3. Even smaller. The shape will be a square, 5 by 5 centimeters, and the height of our point will be 1.5 centimeters. And this is the shape we will end up with, so we can see the difference. One shape is 6, 2, 5, 5, 3, 5. So each one is half a centimeter smaller. And we will also need heart cutouts. They will be 2 colored, so we see 2 cutouts for each heart, 1 smaller and 1 larger. I recommend printing them out. Most likely, this will be more convenient, but if you can't, you can draw them to fit the size of your box. The largest heart should fit in your box. Like this. All the measurements are in front of you. Pause the video to copy all of them. There's nothing complicated here. And we continue. First, we'll focus on the main part. This is a box. We will have a box. The box will be orange and the lid will be yellow. I'm using cardboard for the box. Now we need to transfer the measurements onto the cardboard. Let's cut it out. And we can make folds like this in the center to mark the middle square. The box turned out well. Now let's make the lid. We connect the template with our paper and make cuts along the dotted lines. And also with the help of a ruler. You can fold it like this. We also fold our squares. We take the glue stick and carefully apply it to our squares, gluing it to the adjacent side, like this, and so on for each one. The lid is ready. Let's check if it fits our box or not. The box will fall apart on its own, so we don't glue it together. We just assemble it and hide it in the lid. Yes, we can see that everything fits perfectly. From green paper, not cardboard anymore, just double-sided paper, I will be cutting. Here are the bases for the box. We take it, just place it down, and with the help of scissors, we simply cut it out. The first one is ready. In each part, we need to fold the corners. This is how it will look when they are together. We fold, and so it turns out to be a little staircase. Now we cut out a heart. Mine will be red and yellow. We see that we will need 12 pieces, which means we will need a total of 24 hearts, since they are double-sided. We can speed up this process by cutting out 4 sheets of different sizes at once. We cut them out right away. Done. Now we need to glue each heart together. We have 4 large hearts. 4 medium ones. And also 4 small ones. Now we will start decorating our box. We take the box and in the center we glue these templates, one by one, starting from the largest to the smallest. Pepper to our templates. We glue the largest one to the bottom row, the medium one to the medium, and the small one to the smallest. We glue it down about 1 centimeter. Well, it's ready. In the center, we will write the greetings. We can also decorate it with rhinestones.
Now let's try to close it.
Just like that, with a little effort, we end up with a very beautiful and bright gift box. I think it's impossible not to like it. We have a lot of interesting videos for you on our channel, so if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. See you soon in new videos. Bye bye!